who has had a significant impact on my life, my idol, Aiden Gallagher. It was all began when I was casually scrolling through social media, and suddenly his face appeared on my screen. At first, I wasn't a fan. Aiden was known for his roles in intense, sometimes violent films, which wasn't something I particularly enjoyed. Back then, I wasn't even interested in learning English. It just didn't seem necessary to me. But as time passed, something unexpected happened. What started as indifference slowly transformed into affirmation. I found myself drawn to his work, his passion, and his unique approach to acting. I began to see beyond the roles he played and started appreciating the person he is. It was then that I realized how talented and dedicated Aiden truly is. This newfound admiration sparked something within me. I wanted to understand him better, not just as an actor, but also as a person. So this led me to a decision that has changed my life. I decided to learn English because I wanted to be able to fully understand his movies, his live streams, his vlogs, and also the way he expresses himself. Of course, learning a new language is never easy, but with Aiden as my inspiration, it has been a journey worth taking. But Aiden's influence didn't stop there. He has also inspired me to dream bigger. His passion for music has encouraged me to explore that field as well. I now aspire to study abroad and immerse myself in a world where I can learn more about music as much like Aiden has done. Though the path may be long and the journey tough, with every step forward, you're growing strong enough. For effort and passion will light up your way and bring you success at the end of the day. Aiden Gallagher may have started as just another face on my social media feed, but today he is much more than that. He is the reason I found a passion for English and the reason I have a newfound love for music. Thank you, Aiden, for being such a positive influence in my life, and thank you for listening to